Do you ever find yourself wishing for a magic wand to simplify your business operations, especially when it comes to getting paid? What if I told you there's a tool right within your reach that can make invoicing not just easy, but almost enjoyable? Forget the days of chasing payments, sifting through paper trails, or wrestling with complicated software. Today, we're diving deep into a feature that's a game changer for any salon, spa, or fitness professional. Sending invoices on Vagaro. We all know the drill. You've just delivered a fantastic service, a rejuvenating massage, a perfect haircut, a high-intensity training session. Your client is thrilled, you've done your part, and now it's time for the nitty-gritty. Getting paid. But sometimes, life happens. A client might forget their wallet, need to pay later, or perhaps you're offering a unique service that requires a custom payment arrangement. This is where the power of a professional, streamlined invoicing system truly shines. It ensures you maintain a professional image, track every penny, and ultimately, get paid for your hard work. Before we jump into the how-to, let's set the stage. Why is effective invoicing so crucial for your business? Think about it. A well-structured invoice isn't just a bill. It's a record of service, a legal document, and a professional communication tool. It provides clarity for both you and your client, minimizing misunderstandings and disputes. It helps you track your income, manage your cash flow, and even identify your most profitable services. Without a robust invoicing system, you risk losing track of payments, making accounting a nightmare, and potentially leaving money on the table. Now, you might be thinking, Vagaro already handles appointments and payments at the point of sale. Why do I need to send a separate invoice? And that's a great question. While Vagaro excels at in-person transactions, there are several scenarios where sending an invoice becomes indispensable. Imagine a client who booked a package of sessions but wants to pay for them individually over time. Or a corporate client receiving services for their employees who requires a detailed invoice for their accounting department. What about special events or off-site services where a traditional checkout isn't feasible? And let's not forget the ever-present oops, I forgot my card moment. In all these situations, Vagaro's invoicing feature empowers you to provide flexibility while maintaining control over your finances. So, how do you unlock this invoicing superpower within Vagaro? The surprisingly intuitive. Let's break it down step by step, and I promise, by the end of this, you'll be a Vagaro invoicing pro. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Vagaro account. This can be done from your computer or through the Vagaro Pro app on your tablet or smartphone. For the most comprehensive experience and to easily navigate all the options, I recommend using the desktop version. But the app is perfectly capable too. Once you're logged in, navigate to the checkout section. You might be used to using this for immediate sales, but it's also your gateway to creating invoices. Instead of processing a new sale, you're going to look for the Create Invoice option. This might be a prominent button or an option within a drop-down menu, depending on your Vagaro interface version. Once you click Create Invoice, Vagaro will prompt you to select a client. This is crucial for tracking purposes. If the client is already in your Vagaro database, simply start typing their name, and it will auto-populate. If they're a new client, you'll have the option to add them on the fly. Taking a moment to add new clients ensures your records are always up to date, which is invaluable for future bookings and marketing efforts. Next, it's time to add the services or products you're invoicing for. This is where Vagaro's integration truly shines. You can search for services and products just as you would when checking out a client at your front desk. Simply type in the name of the service, e.g., deep tissue massage, haircut and style, yoga class, or product, e.g., shampoo, conditioner, workout gear. As you select each item, it will be added to the invoice with its corresponding price. What if you need to add a custom item or apply a discount? Vagaro has you covered. You'll find options to add custom items, which is perfect for unique charges that aren't standard services or products, like a special consultation fee or a travel charge. You can also apply discounts, either as a percentage or a fixed amount, directly to individual items or to the total invoice. This flexibility ensures that your invoice accurately reflects the agreed-upon charges. Now, here's where you can really tailor the invoice, adding a due date and notes. The due date is essential for setting expectations for payment. Vagaro allows you to select a specific date, giving your client a clear deadline. Below that, you'll find a section for notes. This is a fantastic opportunity to add any relevant details for your client. This could include a brief description of the services provided, specific payment instructions, a friendly thank you message, or even terms and conditions related to the invoice. The more information you provide, the less likely there will be confusion. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your invoice. Double-check the client's name, the services and products listed, the prices, any applied discounts, the due date, and your notes. It's always good practice to ensure everything is accurate and presented professionally. A well-reviewed invoice reflects positively on your business. Once you're satisfied, it's time to send it off. Vagaro offers several ways to deliver your invoice. The most common and convenient method is to email it directly to your client. Vagaro will automatically use the email address associated with the client's profile. You can also choose to print the invoice if your client prefers a physical copy or if you need one for your records. And for those who prefer instant messaging, Vagaro also offers the option to send the invoice via text message, which is incredibly convenient for on-the-go clients. What happens after you send the invoice? Vagaro's tracking capabilities are incredibly robust. You can easily view the status of all your invoices, whether they've been sent, viewed by the client, or paid. This gives you complete visibility into your outstanding payments and helps you follow up efficiently if an invoice becomes overdue. No more guessing games or manually tracking payments on a spreadsheet. When your client is ready to pay, Vagaro makes it simple for them. The emailed invoice will typically contain a direct link for online payment, allowing your client to pay securely using their credit card or other integrated payment methods. This convenience for your client translates to faster payments for you. And if they pay you outside of Vagaro, e.g., with cash or a check, you can easily mark the invoice as paid within the system, ensuring your records are always up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.